Hey guys, Zoyo here. This is a little bit of a different video, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make spaghetti on a gas stove. So I've already kind of started by getting my water boiling. As you can see, it is boiling. So there will be a couple time lapses and music over those time lapses in this video, but I will explain it all. Hopefully. So, for the first part though, you're going to want to get your pan filled up with water. As you can see, mine's almost ready to put the noodles in. And here are like the things you're going to need, except for these scissors. So you're going to want some butter, a fork, your noodles, and your pan with water in it. And of course, the most important part, your gas stove. If you have a gas stove. I don't know, I can't do an electric stove one because I don't have an electric stove. So I'm just going to do a time lapse until this starts to boil. And I'll put some music over it. Now, your water is starting to boil, and you will be able to tell if you see it doing all those bubbles. I'm not trying to get my hand too close to that because I am going to fucking burn myself. So yeah, that is boiling. Kind of. You'll see it start to boil faster and faster. And as you can see, it is steaming quite a bit. Turn on... might turn on the fan. I don't know if I need to yet. There's the spider web. Great. Okay. Now that's pretty close to boiling. So now that it is boiling is the next big step. So for this next step, and yes, I am not wearing a shirt. I just got home from a visit with my grandma on a long bike ride, and I'm just kind of letting myself go. So you want to take your noodles. So take a good bunch of them and get them all evened up. And this is how my mom taught me to do it. So, and when I'm reaching off screen over in that direction, so over there, I am putting the noodles in the pot. So, take it to about here, break it off, put them in the pot. Now, take to the middle, break them off, put them in the pot. And the fork is going to come in soon. So, take out a few more noodles. Break them off the same way. And put them in the pot. Okay, now I need to turn the camera back around for the next step. So this next step is where your fork is going to come in. So go fork yourself. So, as you can see, I have a few noodles above the water. So you want to just put them back into the water, and this is really fucking hot. And then just stir them around a bit. I need to turn this down. As you can see, my flame will change if I turn it up and down. So I'm going to turn it down a bit, and I'm going to add some more noodles, and I'll get back. Okay, so when it feels like it's done, turn off your stove. Or like when you think it's done, turn off your stove. Get one noodle. Try to. Try not to burn yourself on the pot either, because it's going to be really fucking warm. Shit. accidentally dropped the fork into the water. I don't know how I'm going to be able to get it now. Hold on. This might take a while. No. Okay, that didn't actually take as long as I expected. So you want to take one noodle without dropping your fucking fork in. And by the way, one noodle's really not easy to get. Damn it, so fucking close. These are like fish. Wow, my mom got this way faster than I did. When she taught me how to make spaghetti. It did not take this long for her to get a noodle. Fuck. Well, okay. Damn near close enough. So, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to need to have your strainer. It's best to have it in a sink. So I am going to move these back, put my strainer here, as you can see. Move your faucet over if you have removable faucets so you have room to get it in. Now, I need to end this clip and start another one because this one's getting... So what you want to do is pick up your pot by the handle. Make sure your hand, hopefully your handle is in the middle the whole time. Otherwise it's going to be really fucking hot. So you pick up your pot by its handle. Okay? Take it over to the strainer. And just dump everything into the strainer. And now you put your pot here. So now you've got your pot in the middle. Take this, shake it up and around a bit. And then you put it back in the pot. As you can see, now I have a pot of spaghetti. Now from this point you can pretty much do anything. I'll just leave the strainer in there. Now you can put the pot back where it was. Now I just need to get a bowl. Got a bowl. Next thing you need is a butter knife. Any kind will do. And some butter. Now you want to get a lot of butter on your knife, because this is butter going in the pot. Don't mind the welches. So take some butter, get it in the pot, stir it up. You know, let it all mix in. Get some more butter if you need. Get it on the wall. If you get it on the wall and go fast enough, it'll all come off and go down to the end of the thing. So you want to stir up your butter. And as you can see, as I'm stirring it, it is melting into the noodles. So you want to just do that until your noodles are nice and buttery, if you like buttery noodles. And now this is where you're going to need a fork again after it's all buttered. After you're done making your own makeshift gravy lube, best to scoop it all into one side after. will no longer need this knife. And unless you're planning on putting more butter, other than that, just throw the knife away. Now, grab the fork you were using, or if you did a stupid thing like me and dropped your fork in, grab the fork that you ended with. And get it nice and close. And then just start scooping your spaghetti into the thing. And yeah, that's how you make spaghetti. And you can put sauce or whatever you want on it. I no longer need that to be on. So yeah, just put sauce on it, do whatever. And thanks for watching this tutorial, because this is a bit of a different video, so I probably will never upload a video like this again. Thanks for watching. And take out your Parmesan cheese and you put it in your spaghetti. Yes, you put all the cheese in the spaghetti. Spaghetti cheese. If you don't get enough Parmesan cheese, put more Parmesan cheese in your spaghetti. And if you run out of Parmesan cheese, go get more Parmesan cheese for your spaghetti. When you're done with Parmesan cheese, put that fucker down, close the fucking lid, and stir your fucking heart out.